it's Future Bakuman. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be inking yet another manga page that I thought of. This time I actually deleted the first half of me inking it, so you're only going to see the last little bit of me inking the page. But I hope you guys like it. Okay, I'm back from inking my manga page. I hope you guys really liked it, although you guys couldn't see the whole thing. I hope to be back with a lot more videos in the future. Hopefully one this week or next week. I'm gonna try to do more videos now, especially since I've been gone for a while. Yeah, that's about it. This is Future Bakuman. See you guys next time.